Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutomania. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account very easily. So first of all, open your TikTok app, then go to profile, then settings. Here go to account. Here you will see option of deactivate or deletion. Just open it. Now here it will show you two options, delete and deactivate. So we are going to delete our account, so we will select delete. Now just skip this part. Now here it's asking about downloading our data. If you want to download it, just tap request download. Else at the bottom you will see a box. Just tap it and then press continue. If you don't want to download your data, so after pressing continue, your account will be deleted permanently. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe our channel Tutomania, and see you in the next video. Thank you. See ya.